Today, I'm introducing your English friend. Enjoy this video.
Hello friends, I feel glad that we are back on the section English Easy Steps. Today is day 8. You know, there are certain conventions related to the inflections of the voice consonant D. In the previous session, we discussed the convention 1. Now we are going to deal with the convention 2. The convention 2 states that if a base verb or root verb does not end in T or D but ends in a vowel sound or a voice consonant sound, then an addition of D symbol wise and bar or sound wise makes its past tense form. ஒரு பேஸ் verb அல்லது root verb T அல்லது Dல முடியாம ஒரு உயிரெழுத்து ஒலி அல்லது ஓசையுள்ள மெய்யெழுத்து ஒலியில் முடிஞ்சா அந்த verb கூட D ஒலி வடிவத்தில் அல்லது வரி வடிவத்தில் சேர்ந்து அதோட past tense form உண்டாகுது. Example words for base verbs ending with a vowel sound. This will be the order. First, the base verb. Next, the vowel sound with which it ends. Next, the past tense form. Pray, P-R-A-Y, pray. A, prayed. Pray, A, prayed. Free, F-R-E-E, free. E, freed. Free, E, freed. Die, D-I-E, die. I, died. Die, I, died. Boo, B-O-O, boo. Oo, booed. Boo, oo, booed. Key, K-E-Y, key. E, keyed. Key, E, keyed. Snow, O, snowed. S-N-O-W, snow. O, snowed. C-R-Y, cry. I, cried. Cry, I, cried. இப்போ நீங்கள் பார்த்த எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸில் பேஸ் வேர்ப்ஸோட எண்டில் வவல் சவுண்ட்ஸ் இருந்திருக்கு. டி அல்லது இடி அந்த வேர்ப்ஸ் கூட சேர்ந்து பாஸ்ட் டென்ஸ் ஃபார்ம் உருவாகி அந்த சவுண்ட் வந்து இட்னு, அதாவது இங்கிலீஷில் சொல்கிற அந்த ட, தமிழில் இருந்தால் இட். எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ் ஃபார் பேஸ் வேர்ப்ஸ் ending with a voice consonant sound. There are 3 columns. The first column shows the sound, the voice consonant sound. The second column shows the base verb related. Third one, the past tense form of the base verb. Ib, R-O-B, rob, R-O-B-B-E-D, robbed. Ib, rob, robbed. Ij, C-A-G-E, cage, C-A-G-E-D, caged. Ij, cage, caged. Next, ig, T-A-G, tag, T-A-G-G-E-D, tagged. Ig, tag, tagged. Ew, S-A-V, save, S-A-V-E-D, saved. Ew, save, saved. Id, B-R-E-A-T-H-E, breathe. B-R-E-A-T-H-E-D, breathed. Id, breathe, breathed. Z, is. W-O-Z-T, ooze. W-O-Z-T-D, oozed. Z, is. Ooze, oozed. Next, ij. M-A-S-S-A-G-E, massage. M-A-S-S-A-G-E-D, massaged. Massage, massaged. Next, im. A-S-S-U-M-E, assume. ASSUMED, assumed. Assume, assumed. Next, in. SAGN, sign. SAGNED, signed. In. Sign, signed. Next, hang. Hang. HANGED, hanged. Hang, hanged. Next, ill. CALL, call. CALLED, called. Ill, call, called. Next, HONOUR, honor. HONOURED, honored. Honor, honored. This example for R is with reference to the American pronunciation R. But in the British pronunciation, it is silent. It has no sound. The deal with the voice consonant D has not yet ended. One more part has to be seen. We'll do it in the next session. Okay, friends, we have seen enough. Let's halt here for a while. We shall meet in a couple of days. Till then, goodbye.
Hope you enjoy this video. Meet you in my next video. Bye everyone.